Here we have College Road Tower, which has started now, finally. Its core is up to 21 and the smaller core I think is up to 5 or 6 around the side there. I think they started work on that, I think it was the beginning of this year. I think they started work, no, November last year I think they started it. So I've not been here for 18 months, so last time we was here it was a flat empty site. I don't think they didn't even have planning permission back then, so it just goes to show you in 18 months what's been going on, what we've been missing. But yeah, because of the pandemic I've not been to Croydon really, so that's why it's been so long. I've just done a video on this 10 degrees 108 George Street. This is all finished now, so that video I've just done on that will be the last one. As you can see, they're just finishing off the paving along here. But I've just been around the back here and there's loads of workers, so they might stop me from filming going down there because there's loads of construction traffic. Yeah, this one will be 49 stories, part 49 stories and part 34 stories. I think it's 815 co-living units in the main section. I think it's 120 shared ownership apartments in the lower section, in the 34-storey section. But yeah, as you can see over there, that's it. That's 10 degrees there and the College Tower there. So obviously this will be taller than this one. Just have a quick look round and that. This is Allianz's car park. We may get told off for being in here because I can't go down there because they might, there's too many workers down there, they'll tell us to leave. So as you can see, the tower crane has got the tyres to the bits of the core there. They've jumped that I think twice since they installed it. Yeah, it's up to 4, 2, 3, 4, they're constructing 4 now. And obviously up there they're constructing 21. As you see all the rebar going on there, that's the partial basement. I think they're going down 2 basement levels, I think. That's the ground level. And you have the basement which will be partially underground, and then you've got a lower basement which will be underneath. There is some images showing that, so you can see that there is 2 basement levels down. Looking at those images, that's what it will look like anyway. So it will be taller. 10 degrees is 38, 44 stories. That's 550 rented apartments. And this one will be, I think it's 815 co-living units and 120 shared ownership in the 34-storey. The main 49-storey will be the co-living units. You can see how thick that core is there by the thickness of the concrete there. Because obviously this will be modular, exactly the same as 10 degrees there. It was 101 George Street, but now it's 108 George Street. They've changed it, and its official name is 10 degrees, but I've just done a video on that. Yeah, this is Allianz's car park I'm on. I shouldn't really be up here really, so yeah, you see all the columns coming up ready, because that'll be the ground, that'll be the level there, the public, it'll join up with the footpath there, and you'll be able to walk through the walkway eventually into the new development over there. But that's not happening now. That's been put up for sale because of Croydon Council going bankrupt, so obviously the council have put this site up for sale, the College Green site, and also the Croydon Park Hotel has been put up for sale as well. So it would be nice if Tide bought both those sites and they'd bring them forward pretty much straight away. And as you can see, the greenery part there, but the new development will go from that wall there right across the site here, and it'll tie up with this road here. Can't remember the name of the road there now. I think it's Hazeldene Road, I think. Obviously it's closed off there. This was the entrance to the old multi-storey car park that used to be there. Obviously it was demolished and they just capped that off there and fenced it off there. But this will tie into whatever new development goes there. And obviously this will be the street level public level there, and you'll probably have shops, restaurants and bars. I think it's 2 levels, I think, and they'll have that, and then the rest of it will be co-living units and apartments. Co-living units there, apartments over here. Queen's Quarter over the back there, that's almost complete now. Yeah, I think November they started work on this, so they took quite a while doing groundworks, and then they started this course started to rise first, obviously, and then this one started to rise a few weeks ago. But they have flown this up though within a month or so. They've done that. So like when they done the course to 10 degrees there, they was quite fast rising. I think 3 months, was it 3 or 4 months they from start to finish. Yeah, then cranes over there, that's Ruskin Square offices phase 2, that's underway now. That's going to be a 10-storey office building. That'll be for the Home Office. I've done a video on that, so if you want to check that out. But yeah, that's what this will look like. College Tower there, 10 degrees there. Yeah, it'll be 149, this will be 149 metres tall when it tops out. Yeah, I think that's 135 metres is 10 degrees, this will be 149 metres College Tower when it tops out. And it will be modular. I'm not sure how many modules in this one, because there's not been so much publicity on this one as there was on 10 degrees, so you think there would be though, because it's even taller, it's even more ambitious like. Yeah, become Croydon's tallest building, overtaking 10 degrees. Yeah, if I go down there, I could just walk down there. If they tell me to leave, I'll just leave, but we'll just take the risk. Obviously they're using that, just this College Green site there is storing building materials and that for this. I would imagine in a few months' time they'll start installing the modules, then you'll start seeing the modules. Exactly the same process like we saw on 10 degrees there. Yeah, we better get off this car park now, because security out of Allianz might come and tell us off. Yeah, they'll keep this road. This will be like the underground car park round there. That'll be the entrance to it, and to the new development over there eventually when they start that, because it's been put up for sale, so another developer will bring that forward. I'm just guessing that it would be Tide Construction that would do it, but they might buy the site, who knows. So you've got the railway there and East Croydon station just round there. Yeah, this is the Allianz building. Yeah, I think Braystar and Henderson Park have bought it. I think the same as 10 degrees there. I think they've bought this one as well. So it'll be like phase 2. Surprised no one's collared us already actually coming down here. Yeah, they're looking. Yeah, that's the old substation. I think that's a substation for the railway. They'll probably just build round that. This is that entrance to the multi-storey car park that used to come round to there. Yeah, that's the substation for the railway there. Anyway, we better get out of here now as we're going to get told off. Yeah, that's Allianz, that's the underground car park, and the car park we've just been is just above. As I say, there's plans to put up a 35-storey tower, part 14, and the 11-storey bit would be here. Obviously they'd knock all this down and the building there, but those plans haven't been brought forward yet. It's been quite a few years, so I'm unsure what's going to go on with that. But I've done videos on all of this before, up to a couple of years ago on College Tower, and this development here, what they're planning to do here. And obviously I followed this one right from the start. Yeah, this will rise 49 stories. They're up there constructing 21, but it's got to go all the way up to 49. This one will be 34. They're up to 4. They've got another 30 stories to go on top of there. The crane will jump up as the cores rise. The crane will jump higher and higher. That's what that red section is there. And lift the sections up and then slide them in and jack the crane higher and higher. Anyway, we'll go around the other side on College Green, what I can get to, and have a look at it from that angle. Yeah, as you can see, they're doing something here. They're pouring all concrete in there, probably just to reinforce it, I suppose, because that's the original wall. 1960s wall, 1950s wall when they built the college. Goes round. Yeah, so that's 10 degrees. That's 135 metres. This will be 149 metres to here, so that's the difference. Yeah, 49, 34 stories. That's 38, 44 stories. Can't go through there, have to go round. So I thought there was a bit of railway line there. I thought there was no railway there. It's no, it's just 2 rusty old pipes buried in the ground. See them there. Obviously you've got the lift up the side there for the workers. Yes, I wonder if Tide do a third scheme, because they've got the opportunity to buy land, will they go up even taller? Will they put one up even taller than College Road? Maybe they could go up to 55 or 60 stories on if they ever do a third phase. We'll have to wait and see what happens. There is a much taller building planned, the one Lansdale Road development, which will be 68 floors. If they ever get round to building it, so I will be doing a video on that soon, so keep an eye out for that. Yeah, it's a 2-tower development of 41 and 68 stories. Yeah, that's on the corner of Lansdowne and Wellesley Road. Yeah, this is all the college here, University Centre Croydon and Croydon College. Anyway, I'll start the video again. We'll go around the other side of the college and start the video again and have a look from that angle at the new tower. I'll just get the crane from this angle there. Yeah, that's where we just was up there. We'll go around the other side anyway, and then I'll carry on the video around the other side. Yeah, we're back round this side of the college now, so can't really see too much from this side. That's all the college green anyway. They're supposed to be redoing all of this into a nice garden with water features and all that, but obviously they haven't got round to starting that yet. And obviously the main development, if they sell the site and another developer buys it, they will carry on and they'll probably build a new development there, because the plan before was to build a 29-storey building and some low-rise buildings there, but obviously that's not going to happen now because they've put the site up for sale. But then a developer might buy in, because that's got planning permission, so they might buy that and actually build that scheme, but we just don't know yet. Yeah, I think that's the edge of the green. Will be the garden to the college, all there, and that wood there is all in there is the boundary. That will be the new site eventually if they build on there. And obviously it'll tie in with College Tower there. So you'll be able to walk from College Tower, where all the new shops and restaurants and bars, unclear what they'll be yet. Then you'll be able to walk straight through into the new development. Eventually, what they'll build here. And I think they're just using this, tired of using this to store construction materials and building waste and all that while they're building it. But this site has been put up for sale now. The same as Croydon Park Hotel, just behind the courts there. That's been put up for sale. That's up for development as well. Yeah, I'll stick all the images anyway and information and right up on that at the end of this video. So I'll catch you in the next one.